Fabric: imported. Classically styled kid-sized denim armchair. No tools required for easy assembly, just screw in the 4 wooden feet. Perfect for kids up to 100 pounds to read or snuggle. Sturdy construction and high-quality materials. Ages 3 to 8, 23L x 17.5W x 18.3H assembled. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect chair for child just under 2 years. Our kiddo loves this chair. She could not wait to sit in it and was so excited to have a big girl chair of her own. Recommended ages 3 and up, but it seems safe with supervision. She's around 24 pounds and a few ounces, and petite, but the chair is a good size for her. The chair seems solid in construction, has nice fabric, and it's true to color and specifications in the description. The only assembly required are the legs, which screw on very easily. Within an hour of having it, kiddo got tomato sauce on it, but the recommended cleaning with a little dish soap and water and gently scrubbing the surface worked just fine. It is also indicated that the dye does rub off a little, which is true. Just be careful with light clothes and if the fabric is damp. Overall, it's a great investment and I can tell it'll last for a year or 2 at least. Far better than the cutesy, cheap chairs I've seen advertised.